guys, that was an awesome jump there. You saw the twist in the guys when they landed. So today, we're doing the Hot Wheels monster truck. And look, this Mega Construx Hot Wheels Tiger Shark monster truck. Also, this is the best thing to do, guys. But never mind about that, because this monster truck can turn into a car. Okay? So here's the thing, and I'm gonna make it roll. Did you see that, guys? It was like it was shaky. I'm gonna do it from this room, just for you guys. Wow! Crashed into the door. It's crashed into the door, guys. Oh, that was a good one, guys. Okay, guys. So here's like the I'm gonna call this the Mega Construx brick separator. And so, guys, I died. Pause the video. So hi guys, so now I finally switched this into a car, which is good. So look at this thing. So this is apparently like monster truck. I had to take the wheels off. So let's see how this rolls. It's not very shaky like the monster truck. I didn't do that well. Whoa, that was super fast, guys. Wow. So here's the side, and here it says Tiger Shark. There's a Tiger Shark. I can read along now, so I'm able to read that. So guys, this is how you take the wheels off, and this is how you place them. Done, and then done. See that? That's how you place them. So let's get back to the monster truck, because I want to show you how you place this wood. What? Super wobbly, guys. What? Okay, guys. Time to intro the video. Okay, guys, look at this. I'm actually gonna do a video straight away after this one, after I upload. Straight away after this one, and it's going to be about another Mega Construx story. So, oh God, I better get out of this video. There's a shark chasing me. 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 Okay, let's do one more roll. Oh, for the line. Oopsies! What just happened there? It just tumbled down? Guys, not even a thing. Tell me if that was a thing with the car, but I didn't know it was a thing with this, guys. Oh man. Guys, this is so annoying. I have to do it all over again. Just put this back on. Oh, there we go. Guys, so look, let's do one more roll for the audience, and that didn't count because this monster truck just crashed. There we go, guys. It hit it. It hit it. Let's do another one. Okay, guys. Whoa. a good one, guys. Okay, bye, guys. Bye. Pull this finger.